Oh, okay. I need to look it up because my motor is sitting on the ground in my shop, and they're doing the pain. Then you can move them around if you need to roll
Workflow.
Right. I have one.
Y'all see it, man.
But I'd like to get a couple LS ones.
Y'all see it, man.
Oh, these fit either. Gen 1s?
You gotta get the packer plate.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Y'all come see my boy.
The LS ones are a little bit more, but
I'm gonna add all his
triangle style setup.
stuff in the description.
Right there.
Y'all come see my boy. He doing it.
Put on because they're free.
Brand new. Okay.
Got that. I mean, it looks
Go
nice.
to digital.
A little bit cheaper.
Just wrap.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah.
I like
Wrap
it.
nasty. Is these wheels gonna get wrapped too?
Yep. All the chrome is going the same color, and it's got center caps as well.
Ugh, finna be sick. I'm finna be sick. It's gonna be a mean before and after on this one.
Yep. That's for that LS3 right there. That's going in the 68 Firebird.
Oh my gosh, look at all these pieces. Ooh wee. Oh, you gonna use the Camaro everything basically.
I'm gonna fabricate everything. Everything's gonna be custom door panels and everything. I just like the dash, so I'm gonna make my own door panels.
I ain't gonna lie, that dash is looking kind of nice in there. That's crazy how you could tear a Camaro apart. You could just tear it up. You don't even gotta have it. Just demolish it. Damn, this is nice though. This is a big difference, y'all.
I have a 64 Chevelle Malibu, and I'd love to put a CTS dash in it.
Yeah, I mean, shoot, it'll fit. You just gotta fabricate it.
Oh, and he got the screens. He ain't playing.
64 Malibu dashes are
He
ugly.
got the screens. That's what I like right there. Y'all know me. Y'all know I like them screens.
Just plain, you know.
Yeah, I mean, shit, anything will work. You just gotta fab and mock everything up. And I mean, just getting that dash in there took me probably like 30 hours.
I believe it.
Just a lot of work. Because I had to cut the whole backside of it out. Because it had like this.
Y'all see this, man? LS Life.
And stuff that go to, so I had to cut all that out.
LS Life.
Stuff, get it in to fit on the side.
Some Gen 1s, some Gen 1s. But right here,
you know what I'm saying?
big dog.
But that's just mocked up. You see the
Right here,
just chilling.
big dog.
Rivets.
Yep.
Across the top, make it look real nice and clean.
Yeah. Another thing I want to do is I want to
So, what he doing is he's putting the new wrap on here. And this is the spray wrap. See if y'all can see the difference.
It's $1,700.
That's a big difference.
And if you get it cracked, you gotta pull another one.
Yeah. What I was going to do
The
was
man with the plan.
have my body man.
My boy Mike Will.
And just use a stock windshield.
Yeah, you can.
And then push in.
You can do that.
Because I've seen people on YouTube doing that. They just put a little filler right here, all the way around. And once you fill it and stuff, you don't notice.
Right.
Ooh, clean firewall
And then you
too.
just use stock windshield.
Ooh, firewall, stupid clean.
I like that. I like that way better.
Yeah.
Because then, like you said, you get a crack, you just go down and get another windshield.
4L80.
$1,700. I kind of talked them out of it, you know what I'm saying? Because it didn't make sense. It would look dope, but it just didn't make sense to do that.
I 100% agree with you
Especially
on
out here.
the aftermarket windshield. You can use a stock
Shop
windshield
top
too, but if you
workflow.
go buy it, yeah.
$1,700. I mean, if you got it like that, feel free.
Yep. And a good body man can put a filler in there real easy.
Yeah.
It's a hell of a process, bro. So how many hours total for a whole car?
For a whole car?
Whole car.
It just depends. I knocked out that whole side yesterday.
Y'all see he got that blunt rolling thumb. Y'all seen? He tucking. We see you.
You know what I'm saying? If they do door jams, all that shit like that. If
Right.
you know I fuck up or whatever.
What color was this original? Like silver?
It's like a.
It's like a silver, wasn't
You
it?
can check right there. It's like a gun metallic.
Oh, that gun, yeah. So he ain't too far off then anyway. With what he doing, that's what's up.
It's got a nice little color scheme.
Yeah, that's what's up. I like how he put them hair
He's got his
receivers.
glass counter on a roll around.
Yeah.
That's cool because he just roll it out.
Yeah, and that's the one I was helping you move, right?
I need to do that. I need to make a roll around for mine. That's smart.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about it, but that's smart.
That's like my body work tool chest too.
That's smart. I didn't think about
all
doing
my
that.
sandpaper, all my hammer dollies. You know what I'm saying?
He said he got all the equipment. He ain't got.
Mine
He
has
ain't
legs.
not
We have to take
playing.
the legs off and put it on a toolbox.
He got all the equipment.
Much better.
All right, man. Facebook, Instagram, all that. Mike Will.
IG. Mike_20 Will is my personal. GBODYDREAMS LLC is the business.
Okay. Business phone number?
Business phone number is 480-353-1541. You can text as well. I'll respond a little quicker than that because if I don't know the number, usually y'all know how it is. Y'all get them spam calls. You don't even like your phone no more. So texting is a good way to get to me. DM, inbox, whatever.
Let you know it's a real number too.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Somebody text you, so. Then y'all see, even on a Saturday, he out here working, man. He ain't.
7 days a week, bro.
7 days a week?
7 days.
So no football on Sundays?
Hey, I got the TV right there. Got the TV right there.
All right.
I got too much stuff, man. Shit, y'all ain't even seen the backyard yet.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, I'm hella busy. But, you know, I'm blessed and I'm thankful to have a startup business and already be popping, you know.
I'm glad to see you here.
Then not busy and having no money.
I'm glad to see you here. It took you long enough to get here, bro.
Man, in due time, I had to make sure everything was rocking and rolling.
Bro, do you know how long I was texting him? I was texting him for like 9 months strong. Like, bro, where is you at?
So I'm curious.
What's up?
A body or G body?
G body, man. Come on, man.
Well, you know that's a big argument on it.
GBODYDREAMS, that's the name of my business.
But is that what the VIN say? The VIN got a G, right?
You know what? Online, if you go online, there's people argue every day about
it don't have a G.
80s and before.
I don't understand.
That's only for SS's.
Oh, okay.
That's only for SS.
I didn't hear what you said.
It's only for SS for G's.
No, but what'd you ask?
That the VIN number didn't have a G on it anyway.
Oh.
So you know what I was looking for.
I told you that's how you find a G.
You can
Remember?
go check that TTop though, see if it got a G on it.
Boy, glass.
I'm about to repaint it.
Ooh.
That's the easy part.
Oh, that boy, glass.
Damn,
I did this.
You sprayed this yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this glass,
I
bruh.
did this last year. I worked at a
What?
shop in Oakland, California. And I got laid off and they were like, you can paint your car here. So shit.
Bring it in.
I went up there Monday through Friday, 7 to 5, just like I was working, put my headphones in. And
Great interior too.
Ooh.
I wouldn't say rare, but
It is rare.
less you.
Glass.
because the maroon came with these.
Glass.
Mine's got. I got gray too.
Oh, yeah.
Saddle is
Oh, man.
Original.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man, everything still look new.
Motor's been rebuilt, transmission's been built, numbers matching. It's probably got like maybe 80 miles on it right now.
It's exactly what mine looked like when I pulled my engine out.
Yeah, the one that's sitting on the side,
Pulled
right?
it out.
Right.
I still have it there.
Oh, man, this thing clean. Look at all these hoses. These hoses look new.
It looks.
They just cleaned up.
It looks very similar to mine. Very.
Oh,
like a
yeah.
twin.
He got the window washer fluid.
Except for I got the decals.
I ain't even got
the kit
them.
too. I just like I said, I haven't.
You haven't
put
done it
them on
yet?
because I'm gonna repaint and re-clear it.
Is this 86?
Yep.
Oh,
86
yeah,
T-top.
Yeah, I'm the second owner.
Second owner. 86 T-top. Y'all see the T's? Ooh, wee.
Yeah, nice car.
Yeah. He's stupid. That's a blast from the past, like, and it's crazy clean.
You'll see mine soon. We did a video on it.
Yeah.
We just pulled it out of the shop. It's been in storage for 15 years.
Yeah, this one I bought in Napa, California about 2 years ago off the original owner's son-in-law. He had started the frame off restoration on it. He actually passed away in the middle of the build. So I came in, it was 1,000 pieces. The chassis was sitting off to the side, the body was on a rotisserie.
You did good.
You did real good.
You did real good.
This is immaculate. Like, even on camera, it's just shining. You can tell.
It's been sitting out here for shit like 2 weeks like this, just chilling, you know.
You got it, though. You did it right, bro.
Yeah, I'm a repaint and re-clear it though, cause I'm a perfectionist, man, and
You like him, then.
I like this little stuff.
These some colorses. Chevelles.
Mine needs rubbed out.
Oh, yeah, that's him all day, too.
But it needs rubbed out because it's never 15 years.
Bring it by.
Hey, y'all, and don't get it twisted. He do good mechanic work too. He was pulling the motor out of this because the customer broke what you said the customer broke on this? A piston?
They bent 2 rods.
They bent 2 rods on this, y'all. So he does. He don't
71.
He don't just only work on old schools. He can do new schools too.
70's more rare, so that's better.
Because this is a 2016, so he can do new cars too. So yeah, my boy Mike Will, man, he know how to do it all. I'm gonna definitely put y'all in contact with him, man. I want all of y'all, whoever see this video, I want everybody to blow him up, tell him he the coldest. Everybody blow him up and tell him he the coldest. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Let's see, is this open? Yeah, it's open. See? He even put it back in. Because the video that he sent me, he was already pulling this out. So he put it back in already. Y'all see it? Clean. It looked like it never came out of there. Clean. Perfect. This right here. This the 86 thing, y'all. This the 86 thing. So let me not make the video too long. Let me show y'all these guts. Just like Frank said, you could. G bodies are easy to steal. Okay, let me put this while we talking about the video. G bodies are easy to steal, right? So, as I was told, is you can lean this back, you can lean this window back, and you can just reach down in there and pop it. Can you show me how to steal this? Cause he was telling me a couple weeks ago, all you gotta do is lean the window back and pop it, right?
What you trying to do?
Like if somebody was trying to steal it, right? You would just, cause the window flop.
All
so
you
once
gotta
you
do
lean
is
this
stick
back,
your fingers in, pull real hard, reach the other arm in, pull the switch, and you're in. There's just like.
Well, strap on deck. You want to steal? Come get some. So I gotta say.
Well, that's if you know. Somebody stole his a long time ago.
I'm getting a little column lock and everything.
Yeah.
I just told him.
That's what he just sold me, a column lock.
Okay.
Yeah.
I had a club on my.
Y'all see it. A bunch of LS swamp stuff and
Steering wheel.
whatever.
They cut the club.
But
It's
hey,
in my back seat when I was
beautiful,
cutting.
beautiful,
You see
beautiful.
where they took the bolt cutter.
So, y'all see it, man. Hopefully my lighting is good.
When I painted my body, I asked the body shop to paint.
Glendale, Arizona. That's where we at.
What's the name? This color name.
As y'all see, man, my man's do it right here from the crib. My man do it right here from the crib. Nowhere else, okay? You know, cause
But my
shop
body guy
prices,
pretty much, he said, no, don't do it.
the rent
He said,
prices,
"Fade real
you
bad."
know how it go, man. Everybody want to be their own independent boss nowadays anyway, so what's the point in paying all that overhead anyway?
That's probably why he didn't
You know
want
what
to
I'm
do it.
saying? So, hey Mike, what you say for about pricing? How you like just anything? You budget friendly? How you do it?
Yeah, man, I work with everybody. You know what I'm saying? I ain't cheap, but I do shit right. You know, I like to help people out to, you know, achieve what they want. So I work with you.
Okay, so y'all hear it?
Be bullshit with me, I won't bullshit with you.
Y'all don't play with him, he won't play with your product. Simple as that. Appreciate it. So thank you. My big homie let me come through, check him out. I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot of work with him. Shoot, man. See, I got my boy Frankie with me. He probably been doing some work with him. Hey, Frankie. LS swap? You wanna come over and get an LS swap?
Do I want to what?
You wanna come over and get an LS swap?
Well, Mike's doing LS swaps, is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Do you? Well, I mean, like, you know, you do for
Buddy, bro. We got all the LS motors in the backyard.
What do you
He's like,
think?
what?
Gauges and all.
So it's all good, bro. You know what I'm saying? But anyway,
60 LY6.
while they back there talking, they business, man.
Six,
It's your boy Tune on 24s, man. I am out of this thing. Y'all hold it down out there. Y'all stay safe, be safe. Wash your hands. All of that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment,
Monday.
share, and
Start
subscribe.
putting it in, but we'll see if it shows up. Yeah.
Shoot, man.
He's already said he's gonna come over.
Before and after, you know what I'm saying? We'll see how that come out, you know? Check back with us. All right?
He was.